Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Heptabase and Obsidian. Heptabase and Obsidian are both powerful note-taking apps, but they offer very different experiences depending on how you prefer to work and organize your thoughts. Heptabase focuses on visual thinking. It lets you create cards for your notes and organize them on an infinite whiteboard. This makes it feel more like working on a big desk when you can move ideas around freely. It's great for brainstorming, project planning, or visual learners who like to see relationships between topics. Heptabase also supports backlinks, tags, and nested cards, so you can build a deep knowledge system. It's especially helpful for students, researchers, or people who think in visuals. Obsidian, on the other hand, is based on plain text markdown files stored locally on your computer. It gives you full control of your notes with powerful features like backlinks, graph view, and community plugins. Obsidian is great for writer, developer, and knowledge workers who want speed, privacy, and customization. You can connect your notes like a network of ideas, and it's lightweight, fast, and works offline. It doesn't have a whiteboard by default, but you can add similar features using plugins. So overall, Heptabase is better if you want a visual, drag-and-drop style for organizing ideas. Obsidian is better if you prefer a fast, text-based system with more control and flexibility. If you're a visual thinker, Heptabase might feel more natural. If you're into structured writing or building a personal knowledge base, Obsidian is likely the better choice. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.